6:43 this morning, and the remnants of Barry decided to leave with a bang. Those remnants merged with a cold front, and look at what most of these are reports of damaging wind, bringing down trees and power lines from Northern Virginia on in to parts of southern New Hampshire. Pretty remarkable, and also scattered around other reports of damaging wind, also some flooding. Finally, things are quieting down a little bit. What is left of Barry, again, now merged with a cold front, is finally going off into the Atlantic. So we're done talking about Barry, but now that Barry's leaving, we're going to be talking about the heat. Now, it's still going to be stormy in some places, like Minnesota, Wisconsin, Michigan today. But for a lot of places, it's just talking about pretty dry weather and pretty hot weather. Exceptional heat in some parts of the country. That said, though the next 3 days are going to be all about the heat, after that, we are talking about rain coming back to more and more places, and that includes us here in the valley. Now, looking at rain for the next 7 days, we're not going to see the heaviest rain. Actually, the heaviest rain is going to be in parts of Michigan, and notice East Texas, between Dallas and Houston, they could be seeing some flooding. I'm not worried about flooding here in the valley, though. What our change is going to be, starting on Monday, is the sea breeze coming back. So look at these rainfall totals. Not super impressive, but at least there are some rain chances coming back. And I do think we're looking at 20 and 30% chance of rain Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Isolated showers and storms. Better chances near the coast, so that does mean some parts of Starr County could stay dry for the next week. If those sea breeze showers and storms don't make it to you, you're not going to see as many as places closer to the coast. But as you can see, most of us are going to see less than a half an inch of rain unless you get right under a thunderstorm. But with a little bit of rain around, that'll also lead to slightly cooler temperatures. So more changes are coming, but in the short term, there's not a whole lot to talk about. But we'll embrace the low rain chances. That does make for good beach weather. A mostly sunny day today. It's going to be breezy, and winds still strong enough, gusting to around 30 miles per hour out at the island. There could still be a few rip currents. It is recommended that if you're a weak swimmer, just wade into the water. You can still boat today, but as we've been saying, because it's so breezy, it's going to be choppy on the bay, so you should go a little bit slower than normal. The high at South Padre today, 89. Now, for inland locations, we're looking more around 98. Technically hotter than yesterday, but because the humidity's a little bit lower, it evens out. So we're going to feel about the same. It's going to be around 104, those feels like temperatures this afternoon. Breezy, once again, gusting around 25 miles per hour in most locations. I do think the cloud cover will briefly increase, and there might be a brief period of partly cloudy skies. Most of the day is going to be mostly sunny, and I do think it's going to be back to clear skies for the late afternoon and early evening hours. And then gradually, as the night goes on, a few clouds will be streaming back in here. Most of the night mostly clear, but eventually becoming partly cloudy. Going to be another warm night with lows around 79. A little bit breezy early, but those winds will die down to around 5 miles per hour late. Let's talk about the weekend. I do think, even though it looks very similar to today, it's going to feel a little bit better on Saturday because I think the humidity drops a little bit more. 98, still going to be breezy, still going to be mostly sunny. A little bit more cloud cover for Sunday. We'll call it partly cloudy, but still no rain chance. I don't see a rain chance until late Sunday night. Even the evening hours Sunday looking dry for the time being. And we do have those better rain chances coming for next week and slightly cooler temperatures as well. We'll be right back after this break.